have just finished packing for my trip. If you don't know, I am going to South and Central America and I'll be traveling around for like 18 months. It's a pretty open-ended trip. I could be there longer, I could come back earlier, I don't know, I'm just going with the flow. But I have had to pack for a wide variety of climates. I've done a fair bit of traveling and backpacking, but usually it's in warm climates and I'm literally just packing boob tubes and shorts, bikinis, and off I go. And I've always taken this very tiny 25-litre bag. But because I am going to South America, I'll be in the Andes, I'll be doing some hiking, I'll be up, at high altitudes, and it's going to get very cold. I'm also going to the glaciers. I imagine the glaciers are going to be freezing. I'm not really someone who enjoys the cold. I always choose warm destinations, but South America really fascinates me and I just want to do it. I want to kind of get out of my comfort zone and enjoy the cold. So for packing for such a vast variety of climates has been really tricky for me. So I wanted to share it with people and I thought maybe it could help you out. What is amazing, all of my winter gear, everything I need to be kept warm from the snow around 5 degrees to down in the glaciers like minus 15 degrees is in here. This is a compression sack. These are amazing. I'll go through that later. For now, I'm going to spread this all out so you can actually see what's here and we'll get into it. Okay, I've got everything laid out and the first thing I want to show you is my backpack. It is the Osprey 55-litre backpack. It's got no pockets on the front, you just flip it open and it's just like a suitcase. So you can just unzip it and you've got access to everything. It's so convenient. And then there's a little pocket here to put things in as well. What I really love about this bag is that you can tuck away all your straps. So there is a lot going on with backpacks. And when you go through the airport or you want to check your bag in, they can sometimes be really funny about it, or you get it back from being checked in and the straps have been broken or something because they've got caught on something. So this is amazing because you can just zip them away and then unzip it when you need it. Bam, that easy. I might just start with my compression bags. If you do not have a compression packing bag, then you got to get one. These will change your life because when you open up your backpack or your suitcase, it doesn't matter how you travel. Even if you travel with suitcases and you're staying in hotels and that's how you travel, well, still get these because when you unzip your bag, open it up, you can just grab out what you need and it's not messy and things are organized. I love organization, so these are amazing. Plus, you can stuff these. These are actually a compression packing cube. So they have the 2 zips on them. So first you pack it with the 2 zips open, then you zip the first one up, and then if it's really tight, you do this second zip up and actually compresses all the air out of the bag and makes it tiny. So they will save you a lot of space, they're really convenient, and it saves being having a mess. Now that you've had my sales pitch for compression packing cubes, I'm now going to show you what's in them. My first one is undies, pajamas, and socks, and I also write in like a permanent marker on the bag so that when I do want to grab out something, if I need a singlet, I just grab this out and I know there's a singlet in there. It actually makes life so much easier, these simple little things. So I've got a singlet, I've got 2 pairs of shorts, I have 5 pairs of undies, I have 1 bra and then 2 socks. So that's like really basic everyday socks. So that's the first one. The second bag is bottoms. This has everything from my denim shorts, a pair of jeans, I've got a little skirt. I wouldn't normally take a skirt, but I'm going to South America. I plan to be doing a lot of dancing and doing a lot of dance lessons, so I want something cute to dance in. I've got my yoga shorts. I also have a goal to do yoga at least 5 times per week on my trip, so that's what they're for. I've got a little activewear shorts. I wouldn't normally take 2 pairs of shorts like this, but I could fit them because this bag is bigger than a bag I normally take, so I'm doing it. And then 2 thick pairs of leggings. These are just like the Lorna Jane Active. They're really good, sturdy. They'll keep you warm on a flight. You You could also wear them hiking. If it was cold climate, it'd still be kind of toasty. And big one is tops and dresses. I am taking with me 2 dresses. They have this kind of nice, more going out dress. And then I have this casual summer dress. I also have a workout top, a little nice kind of dressy top. I have a long sleeve top. It's just enough to keep you warm. There's a little bit of a breeze. I then have 2 t-shirts in case I go anywhere and I have to, you know, look conservative, because mostly I just like to pack boob tubes, but it's not acceptable everywhere. A singlet, and of course my boob tubes. They're all dark colors because I'm messy. I don't like to do washing, so yeah. And the third one is sports bras and bikinis. I think that's all that's in here. And a belt. I'll probably be wearing that most of the time. So I literally am only taking 2 pairs of bikinis. It's gonna kill me. And then I've got like, I don't know, 3 sports bras and this cute little crop top. This is all my clothes, just these 4 bags. Clothes out of the way. Oh, actually I'm forgetting. Winter clothes don't count. So this is a compression cube. It is amazing. It starts off like this big, and then I pull the straps down, and now it's like a hard ball full of all my winter gear. I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. So this is everything that was in my compression sack. I'm just going to start at the top and go through it all. I have a down jacket. The idea of staying warm for me is to have a lot of layers. So that's what everyone has said. As long as you have a lot of layers, you'll be fine. So this is my down jacket. It's MacPack. It actually rolls up into itself and becomes like this big. It's amazing. It'll keep me very warm, but it cannot get wet because it's made of down feathers. If they get wet, it takes a long time to dry, and I just won't have the time to dry it and all the facilities. So I don't want to get it wet. So for that reason, sorry Oscar, I have my windproof and waterproof jacket. I was hesitant to buy one of these because I thought jackets like this were really bulky and thick and would take up a lot of room. But surprisingly, this is so thin and so light. It's not heavy at all, and I really expected it to be heavier. So this is windproof, waterproof. You know, it's got a hood and everything. So this would go, I would probably only wear this if it was raining. Just to protect my down jacket and to stay warm, or if it was super windy somewhere. So I've got that, and then I've got my fleece. This is, I think it's 200 millimeter. I think that's the right wording. It's 200 something, so it's quite a thick fleece. I really hate the cold. Anyone who knows me knows I hate the cold, so I can't be cold. If I'm cold, I'm going to be miserable. So I probably seem a bit extreme, but at least I'm going to be happy and warm. And then I have my thermal pants, my thermal top, little wool socks. My mum always told me if your feet are warm, you're warm. So I've got a thin pair of woolen socks and a thick pair if I needed them to go with hiking boots. And then I have a scarf. This is like a neck wrap type of thing. It does like 16 different things. Figure it out when I'm cold. And then I've got a reversible beanie, and this feels so good. It's made from bamboo. Oh, it's amazing. And my little mittens. That's like all my cold gear there, and it gets put into the compression sack and you hardly even know what's in your bag. Then I have my microfiber towel. Don't bother taking a big towel traveling, just get a little microfiber towel that will pack up really lightly. You can get much smaller towels than this. You can get tiny little towels, but they don't really dry you. You kind of are pushing the water off you with the piece of material. They're not absorbent. They're really great if you don't have space at all, but if you do have a bit of space, get one that's quite absorbent and nice. You're going to be drying yourself with this like every day, so you know, I just want to have a shower and dry myself easily. I then have my sarong. This is always in my day pack. Sarong is so good because you can wear it to the beach, you can lay on it at the beach, you can do yoga on it at the park, keep you warm on a bus ride or on a plane or something when they have the aircon turned really high. So I always have a sarong or some kind of big scarf, so this is what I'll be taking with me. My shoe options, I am taking a pair of normal thongs and a pair of like dressy sandals, and I will also have my regular sneakers, just a pair of white sneakers. Hairdryer, I can't live without a hairdryer. This is tiny, it's coming with me. I then have toiletries and a first aid kit. I'll do another video on them. I have this bag that just holds like my webcam, all my chargers, my hard drive and things like that. So they're just in there. I don't like having cords and everything getting messy in my bag. You know, my chargers will all be in here, so it's easy. You don't have to be finding and going through things. Baby wipes. I don't ever travel anywhere without baby wipes. This stuff over here is what I'm kind of going to be taking in my day pack. And I forgot about these. I'm also taking these little heat pads. So you actually click this. They're just from Kathmandu. You're allowed to travel with them. You click that silver thing inside. I don't know. Science happens. And then bam, it's warm. So if you're somewhere really cold, you can put these in your pockets. You can hold them on your body. I hate being cold, so I'm taking them. And I just got this little cheap little bag to pop them in. So there we go. I'm taking my life straw bottle. I am not always going to have access to clean drinking water. I will be hiking, I'll be up in mountains. I may have to take my water from a stream or an unsafe drinking source. So this bottle has a filter in it. And when you suck it up the straw, it filters like 99.99999% of the bacteria, also E. coli and all types of things. It can clean 9,000 liters of water. Hey darling, 9,000 liters of water. So this was going to last me, 5 years. I love this bottle. And it comes with another attachment you can put on the top to make the water, taste better. So I did buy 2 of those little attachments to take with me, just so my water will taste clean, even though it will be, safe. I want it to taste good as well. So that's my water bottle. More baby wipes. I've got a little wet sack. These are really great. Like if you end up at a waterfall and I want to take photos on that side of the waterfall, well, I can just put my phone, my camera, everything in here and swim over, take photos. Everything's going to be dry. So I am also taking my greens powder. So my greens powder has pre and probiotics in it. It has absolutely everything and I can't really live without this. I love this. It just keeps me feeling good and I have a lot of energy. So I've just poured it into a Ziploc bag and then put it in another Ziploc bag and I have the packaging stuck on there. I have tape for my knee. I have a little pencil case with pens. I have this little bag that goes in my day pack and this is really my sleeping bag. It has a hair tie, it has a face mask, it has essential oils for sleeping, has lip balm, I cannot sleep without lip balm, and it has earplugs. So when I go to bed, I literally will take this to bed with me. It has everything I need for sleeping. I have my charger. So what is this called? A battery pack. It's the Anchor brand. It's very good. It's actually quite heavy, but it has like 5 full days of battery. So I can recharge my phone completely 5 times. So that's worth the wait because I do plan on being off the grid for a bit and not being able to, charge things, but I still want to take photos and videos. Then I have, just in this bag is my adapter because I don't want to get damaged. Oh, and a Bluetooth control to take photos. So they're just in there. This adapter is really good. You can charge 4 USBs plus, an actual plug, so you can charge 5 things at once. This was from Amazon. I'll list it below. And just a little journal. Yes, my journal is in South America. I got this when I first planned my trip. And this little bag also goes in my day pack. This just has a tiny little hairbrush, an extra deodorant. I like to have 2. My perfume, menstrual cup, sunscreen, heaps of hair ties, like an abundance of hair ties are in there. A nail file, bobby clip, bobby pins, and tampons. So this is everything. I am going to pack it all up, put it in the bag so you can see how compact and compressed 10 kilos of stuff from 35 degrees to -15 will look. And it's literally got everything I need in it. And then I have the day pack. And the day pack does zip on. So I'll zip it on and I'll show you what it looks like all together. This is everything I'm taking for 18 months in South America. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. I have wanted to do travel vlogging for a long time and now I am. So I'm really excited to have this little project to keep me busy while I'm on my travels. So that's everything I'm taking. The next video will be much more exciting. I'm going to be in Argentina. My first stop is Buenos Aires. I'll be leaving in like 8 days. So I'll see you guys there. In the meantime, please subscribe. I'd love for you to watch all my videos, see what I get up to. So yes, I'll see you on the other side of the world. Bye.